Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're here for the first time, don't forget to subscribe. And if you are doing that, thank you for doing that. Today, guys, I'm going to DIY this. This is a trending headband. So I'm going to DIY today. So I'll be showing you material needed. We need our tape rule, scissors, our piece styles on our thread. We're going to need our fabric. This is called doll face or shiny face, anyhow you want to call it. So the first thing we are going to do is our measurement. The measurement I use here is I make it very big. If you can see at the picture, is very big. You can reduce this length. Reduce the length if you are doing it for a client. I love it very big like that. So the first I'm going to do the measurement is I have in 20 feet, that's 40 inches. So you can reduce your measurement. Kindly reduce your measurement. You can make yours 34, 35, just depend on you, and you can even reduce more than that. So I'm going to sew this part. I'll take some machine and sew this part. So this part is my bow at the back. This is the bow at the back. I have 10 inches. Yes, I have 10 inches by 8 inches. That's 16 inches. So I'm going to sew this. So, and this is my fiber. Yes, this is my fiber. So I'm going to make use of my fiber. So the next I'm going to do now, I'm going to take this to my sewing machine. I'm going to sew this down. I'm going to sew this down. You close that part, you close it, you close the two parts. I'm going to close that part and I will leave the other part open. I'm going to sew it together. I'm done with the sewing now. I'm going to turn it out with my scissors. Just the way I'm doing it is very easy. Just turn it out with the scissors. I'll turn it out with my scissors. I'll put it out. I'll put it out. I'll take the second one just like that. So this is my bow part. I've already sewed this part. I've already sewed this part. At the center, I'm going to leave like 1 inch because I'm going to still turn it out. This is my bow part at the back. So can you sew that part, you sew that part, and you're going to leave that inches just the way I mark it. You're going to leave 1 inch for turning. If you want to turn it out, make sure you leave your 1 inch. That's it. Just look at it. You're going to turn this part out. You turn this part out. Just take it easy. Don't see the way I'm doing it. It's very easy. That is the bow part. You can iron it. You can iron it if there's light. I wanted to iron, but there's no light. So the next thing I'm going to do now, just to do, I'm folding that bow. I'm going to sew a little rope just like this, and I'm going to tie it together. I want you to tie it together. So I'm going to add my fiber. But I still believe in love. In a similar way, I feel I'm losing my conscience. Traveling for days without my knowledge of provenance. Throughout my life, you called me a renegade. Through all my lows, you said we could start again. But I'm a renegade of your love. But I'm a renegade of your love.
Been on the streets a few months. I'm trying to pick myself up. I may be living alone, but I still believe in love. And although my flaws had dragged me down on the coldest night, I'm still kicking around. And then I saw you back before my time was shortened. No, throughout my life you've called me a renegade. Oh, throughout my loves you said we could start again, but I'm a renegade of your love. But I'm a renegade of your love. Renegade of your love. But I still believe in love. In a similar way, I feel I'm losing my conscience, traveling for days without my knowledge of provenance. Throughout my life, you called me a renegade. Oh, through all my loves, you said we could start again, but I'm a renegade of your love. But I'm a renegade of your love. I'm a renegade of your love. Been on the streets